Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be testing out this product right here. It is by Jovies. It is a fruit facial. They have a lot of other facials in it, like they do have a detan, they have acne, they have gold facial, they have whitening facial, they have a different kind of facial. I chose the fruit facial. I got this from my local drugstore here in Hyderabad. This retails for rupees 195 and it has 5 products in it. That's how it looks like. It has one cleanser, it has one scrub, it has a massaging cream, a facial pack, and there is a face cream. These are the 5 products they have. I think you can use it. You can use the whole kit about twice or thrice. I'm just going to read the back of it. Jovies Fruit Facial Kit for your skin shall provide many benefits. This kit contains 5 products and each product have designed with ultimate care using precious herbs and fruit extract that have natural properties to give that glow to your skin. Generally, fruit facial nourishes the skin with essential vitamins and provides antioxidant protection. So that's what it says on the packaging. I've read reviews for it. People have given really good reviews, so I just wanted to test it out myself. If it really works, it is going to be really good for the price range it is, and you can try a different facial according to your skin. Like if you have an acne prone skin, or if you want to go for lightening skin or detanning. I wanted to go for a fruit facial, so if you want to know about it, please keep on watching. So the first part is cleansing. The good part about it is on each tube there is step written, like step 1, step 2, step 3, which is really good. So the first part is cleanser. It is a citrus and blackberry, and method it says is massage it into the skin for 2 to 3 minutes and wash thoroughly with plain water. This is a little thick on your face, so keep adding some water to your face just to make it a little light. I'm just going to take a cotton ball and dip it in some water. Now that my face is sweepy clean, so let's just move on to step number 2. So the step number 2 says it's a facial scrub, honey and almond, and apply all over your face and neck and gently massage it into your skin for 2 minutes and wash it with plain water. Try to concentrate on areas where you have more of black hairs and white hairs. Keep taking some amount of water. It's been about 2 minutes that I've been massaging my face. I'm just going to wash my face and be right back. So I just wash my face. So the scrub was a little hard, so try to use very light hands using the scrub, or else you might hurt your skin. So the third step is the massaging cream. It is a papaya and pineapple massaging cream, and it says massage gently using circular strokes for 20 minutes using plain water or raw milk to massage it into the skin. It actually smells like papaya. Taking some water in my hand, I'm just gonna start massaging it. Take some more water. I'm gonna start with circular motion and outwards. So it's been 15 to 17 minutes I've been massaging this on my face and my hands are really tired. So I'm just going to wash it off and move it to the next step. So the next step is the fruit face pack. It is an apple and avocado face pack. It says apply a thick layer all over your face and neck. Leave it on for 20 minutes. Leave it on for 20 minutes. Wash it with plain water or remove it with a cotton ball. I'm just going to take it in my hand. So we have the pack on now. The packaging says leave it for 20 minutes. I'm just gonna leave it for 20 minutes and be right back. Oh, this is my door. So it's been 20 minutes, guys. This thing feels a little tight on my face. I'm just gonna wash it off and be right back. So the last and final step, I wanted to do it up close because so everybody can see it. So the last and final step of this is the face cream. It is a tea tree with hazel, and it says apply a small amount of cream on face and neck and leave it on. I'm just gonna apply this like my regular cream. So this was the final step of the facial, guys. What do you think? How does it look? Leave me a comment down below and tell me how does it look, how does my face look. Usually facial glow comes after 1 to 2 days, so I'm just gonna wait for that. But for now it feels quite good. My skin feels quite hydrated. So this was all for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment down below if you have any questions about it. I love you all so much. Bye.